Unrestricted Acres in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Yes, you read that right. Welcome to 16 Farmington Trl, your own private country retreat, complete with a classic southern front porch. Inside, gorgeous wood floors flow into a warm, inviting living room centered around a cozy brick fireplace. Check out this massive converted flex space, perfect for a game room, home theater, or giant home office. The layout is designed for effortless daily living. And best of all appliances convey with the home. You get 3 comfortable bedrooms with ceiling fans throughout, plus a spacious bathroom with double sinks. Now step outside onto your 4 acres. Plenty of room for gardening, building a workshop, bringing animals, or just enjoying total privacy. Zero restrictions means you can truly make this space your own while enjoying complete peace and quiet. Plus, you're just minutes from Downtown Travelers Rest, the Swamp Rabbit Trail, and an easy drive to Hendersonville. 5 beds, 6 baths, and endless space. Tap the link in the description below to get the complete property information or message us right now to book your private tour before it's gone.